Hey, I'm Gilbert Solis, global makeup artist for Marc Jacobs Beauty, and today I'm going to show you how to create glass skin using some of our favorite products from Marc Jacobs Beauty. So for our first step, I'll be using the Perfecting Coconut Setting Mist. So this contains 5 forms of coconut. So the coconut milk and coconut water really help to hydrate and nourish the skin. Then I'll be using the Undercover Coconut Perfecting Face Primer. So applying 2 pumps. And I love using the warmth of my hand to really massage it into the skin. And again, those 5 forms of coconut extract really help to retain the moisture in the skin and blur any imperfections, minimize the look of pores, and ultimately it's going to help with the durability of your foundation. So the Undercover Coconut Perfecting Face Primer is a great way to prep and prime the skin. It adds tons of hydration and ensures durability so that the foundation lasts all day. Okay, so now it's time for foundation, using the new Shameless Foundation along with dewdrops in the shade Do You, which is a beautiful champagne. So I'll start by using a dime size amount on the back of my hand, and then 1 pump of dewdrops, and then I'll mix the 2 together. And this is an easy way to create a radiant, glowing skin. And then using the new seamless brush, I'll start at the center of the face and then blend outwards. And it contains snow mushroom, which helps to hydrate. It's nature's natural dupe for hyaluronic acid. And it also contains blue daisy extract, which is going to help protect against environmental aggressors like dust, dirt, and pollution. And it provides you with 24-hour wear. And the great thing about Shameless is its buildable coverage, so you can get anywhere from light to medium by applying a touch more just around the areas of concern. But the finish with Shameless is very youthful and very radiant. And adding that touch of dewdrops ensures that radiant glass skin glow. And now I'll take dewdrops once again and Do You, this time by itself, and apply it to the décolleté or to the high points of the body for added shine. And it's that beautiful champagne. It's the perfect amount of pink and gold. So you can use it by itself, mix it with your favorite primer, or add it to your foundation like I did for an all-over glow. So for added shine and luminosity, I'm taking dewdrops and placing it onto the high points of the body using that seamless brush. So now for that added touch of glow, I'll be using Glow Stick Glistening Highlighter in Spotlight. This is a creamy highlighting stick, and I love using the warmth of my fingertips. Now here you can be a bit more strategic on where you place this. So I love using it on the high points of the cheek. Now this is equal parts gold and silver. So again, it has that beautiful champagne undertone. And Glow Stick really allows you to enhance your own features. And the idea is that you find the highest points of the face or even use the natural light as a guide. So wherever the light hits, it's really an indication on where you should be applying Glow Stick. Applying a touch on the cupid's bow. This is a great trick to give the illusion of more volume around the lips. And then just a touch on the chin. And there you have it. You too can create glass skin in just a few easy steps using Marc Jacobs Beauty.